Hello everyone, here in this practice we are going to learn how to use date functions in Oracle select statement. We have here two simple practices. Write a query to display the SYSDATE, the yesterday date, and the tomorrow date. We know there is a function called SYSDATE that returns the system date, so you can use select SYSDATE. The yesterday date, we can use SYSDATE -1. -1 means subtract 1 day from the SYSDATE. -2 subtract 2 days from the SYSDATE. -3 subtract 3 days from the SYSDATE. If you put +1, that means add 1 day to the SYSDATE. We can use subtraction and addition with dates. The value you provide, which is the number of days that you want to subtract or to add. So here we can use SYSDATE -1, that means subtract 1 day from the SYSDATE. For tomorrow date, we can use SYSDATE +1. And to complete our statement, because we are not reading data from tables, we can use here from dual. Highlight the select statement, I click run. So this is the date of today, which is 5 February 2021, the yesterday date, which is 4 February 2021, and the tomorrow date, which is 6 February 2021. The second select statement, write a query to display the employee's last name. So we want to write a query to display the last name. This is the last name. The hire date, this is the hire date. Hire date added by 3 months. So we can use add months function, and we can provide here hire date and the second argument, which is number of months to be added to the hire date. For all employees from table employees working on department number 30, where department underscore ID equal, in this case, 30. Highlight the select statement and click run. So this is a list of all employees working on department 30. This is the last name, this is the hire date, and this is the hire date added by 3 months. So if you add this hire date by 3 months, that means it return 7 March 2003. If you add 3 months to this hire date, May, June, July, August, so it will return August. December, it will return March 2006. Here July, August, September, October, it will return here October 2005, and so on. So in this practice we learned how to use date functions in Oracle select statement. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.